When we speak of the village, we aren't talking about a place, but a piece of heaven that stayed behind when the rest of the world decided to grow up and grow cold. The hands of a father, the heart of a mother. The hands of a village man are like the bark of an old tree, rough, cracked, and scarred. But those same hands carry the weight of a family's dreams without a single complaint. When a village father looks at you, his eyes don't see your clothes or your status. They see your humanity. The purest bread, the sweetest tears. There is a specific kind of sadness in the village that is more beautiful than the joy of the city. It is the widow who still sets a plate for her late husband, because in a village, love never truly dies. It is the mother who gives the best part of the meal to a stranger, genuinely believing that a guest is a gift from God. Why it makes us cry.